Olga, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we're gonna make today wool iron flowers. This is the kind what we're gonna make. Okay, let's get started. We have here iron wire. It's very thin, just like this one. It's very flexible, and when you cut it, I have cut it here. I think it's 40 centimeters long, and what we need is wool thread. I have here. I have in a color that is aqua color, and we're gonna spin it on my 2 fingers just like this. Spin it almost that long, and the end, push that one inside to make just like this one. See, a little bit knoppy upside. Now what we do is we take the wire, spin it round and round up, and round, just like this. See, we take the end from the wire, we push them inside, make it a little bit stronger in the end. That end make it a little bit stronger, push that one also down with another end, and we're gonna spin it, curl that iron wire on both sides. Just like that. Now we have the flower. Now what we do is we cut the ends, make a little bit shape on it. Just like this. Now you see, have one of the kind flowers. I made also more of them in different colors, blue ones, aqua. What I'm gonna do is the next step. We have a flower. We have tape. This is both sides is with glue, and we're gonna take this one, gonna take them both sides to make them, glue them on both sides just like this. Okay, to take off the paper what's on it, because we need the glue. Just like this one. Okay, I have here this is satin lint, and we're gonna load it up both sides. this end. Now you see we have a flower just like this one. And if you want to put them together, just like a bundle, I have here a bundle I made with the same colors. You can bundle it in one and one, make more, just like this, or you can take the one and gonna put them here, what you like. I have another iron wire here, and I'm gonna make some leaves on it, on my flower, and made now just like this. The end we curl it up. Okay, just like this one. We'll leave it here. Now what we do, I have satin lint, what we call, and it is, I think, 3 centimeters in the wide. I take the tape again, both sides, with glue on it, cut it, and replace it in the middle. Take the tape off. Take the wire and replace it in the middle, just like this. The end, you're gonna pull it over, just like this. And what is extra, we cut it off. Now, we done this. You can see it's both sides. Okay, and we're gonna cut in a leaf form. Look out, because you have here the iron wire inside. Just cut it around it on the side, just like a leaf. Okay, just like this. Now what we're gonna do is, we have also here the flower, and we'll put them together. The end, I'm gonna just like this, put them together. You cannot see the end because it's going in the vase, and you cannot see it. Now we have the leaf. You're gonna curl it what you want, just like this, and now we have a flower with a leaf. This is what we made. I'm very happy with it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!